Manufacturing industry is on the cusp of a revolution, and it's all happening at the edge. Welcome to our channel, where we explore the latest trends and technologies shaping the future of electronics. And today, we're diving into how edge computing is transforming the way products are made. Edge computing is a distributed computing paradigm that brings computation and data storage closer to where it is needed, enabling faster, more efficient, and more responsive applications. In the context of manufacturing, this means processing data from factory floor sensors and machines at the edge, allowing for real-time analysis and immediate action. This approach eliminates the need to send data to a centralized location for processing, reducing latency and improving overall efficiency. But what does this mean for the manufacturing industry? Let us take a closer look at some of the ways that edge computing is revolutionizing the way products are made. Faster production and real-time quality control. One of the key benefits of edge computing is its ability to process data in near real time. This means that manufacturers can make faster, more informed decisions about production and quality control. For example, edge-enabled cameras can inspect products as they move along the assembly line, identifying defects or areas that need to be improved. This type of real-time feedback allows manufacturers to adjust the production process on the fly, reducing waste and improving product quality. Increased efficiency and reduced waste. Edge computing also enables manufacturers to reduce waste and optimize their use of resources. By processing data at the edge, manufacturers can identify areas where they can reduce energy consumption, optimize machine performance, and eliminate bottlenecks in the production process. This not only improves efficiency, but also reduces costs and increases profitability. Enhanced safety and predictive maintenance. Edge computing is also transforming the way manufacturers approach safety and maintenance. By processing data from sensors on machines and equipment, manufacturers can identify potential issues before they become major problems. This allows for predictive maintenance, ensuring that repairs are made before equipment fails, reducing downtime and improving overall safety. How edge computing being used in the real world? Let's explore some of the use cases. Smart factories. Many manufacturers are implementing smart factory solutions that leverage edge computing to optimize production processes and improve efficiency. These systems typically involve connecting sensors to machines and equipment to collect data in real time. By processing this data at the edge, manufacturers can make adjustments to the production process as needed, reducing waste and improving product quality. Predictive maintenance. As we mentioned earlier, edge computing is also being used for predictive maintenance. By processing data from sensors on machines and equipment, manufacturers can identify potential issues before they become major problems. This allows for timely maintenance, reducing costly downtime and improving safety. Quality control. Edge-enabled cameras are being used to inspect products as they move along the assembly line. This allows for real-time feedback enabling manufacturers to adjust the production process and reduce defects. These are just a few examples of how edge computing is being used in the manufacturing industry. As the technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative applications in the future. If you want to learn more about edge computing and other cutting-edge technologies, stay tuned for our latest video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to join the conversation. Together, we can explore the endless possibilities of technology and what it means for our future.